Hi there, it's Rebecca from Rebecca Art Tutor, back with another video. This video is going to be about exploring limited palettes. Picasso had his blue period and his rose period. Van Gogh had his sunflowers. What do these all have in common? Well, they all use limited palettes. So let's find out more. What is a limited palette? Well, it's really very simple. It means a limited palette, so only using certain colours, not using all the colours. So to give you some examples, you could have a warm palette made up of reds and pinks and yellows or oranges. You could have a cool palette made up of blues and greens, or you could have a muted palette, which is maybe the sort of beiges and the tints, like the pastel shades, or you could have an earthy palette, browns, ochres. So the idea is that you experiment with a limited number of colours, and many artists have done this over the years. So in this video we're going to be exploring the Harmonious palette, which is a really good start for exploring colour. So all you have to do is find 3 colours that are next door on the colour palette, and they will be what's called harmonious. So they tend to blend very well with each other. They're very similar because they're next door on the colour wheel. So in this case I'm going to be using warmer colours and creating some art with those colours. So let's have a look and see what's involved. And as a general rule, if I am working with limited palettes, I try to get different tones. So by that I mean a sort of a mid-tone red and then a really dark something like purple or orange or red, and then a sort of brighter one. Just gives you a bit more scope. So here I'm sort of feeling that I might need a darker purple, but I'm just going to go with it for now and see what these colours turn out like. Now you know what's involved in using a limited palette, and in particular our harmonious palette, so colours that are next door to each other on the colour wheel. All you have to do to try this activity is pick 3 colours that are next door to each other on the colour wheel. And I think what you'll find is that it will give your artwork a type of mood or a feeling that you can't really get from using all the colours. So when you scale it down to just a few, you give that sort of feeling to the art, the mood changes. So it's worth exploring. If you are interested in colour as a topic, I have 2 other videos that you may be interested in. One is called Confidence with Colour, and the other one is called Colour Mixing, How to Learn About Colour. Please do like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I shall see you in the next one.